Hello everybody, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens, and this is episode 91 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you my side garden right now. Spring's glimpsing in. I'm already having some of my flower buds swelling, so it's going to be hitting pretty soon that you're going to see a lot of more videos and content with flowering garden. My whole garden looks like a rainbow, so I love doing those videos. And I hope you all enjoy them as well. So let me flip the camera around. I'm talking about what I'm going to be talking about. So this is my side garden. This is a pink lady, had a lot of fire blight, had to hack it down really low. I never hacked down a tree this shorter than me. So Lulu's barking because she wants to come outside. This is a heavenly white nectarine, flavored delight apium, and a parfionca. Notice how low the parfionca is because it really grew like crazy last season. So I hacked it down pretty low. So I'm going to show you right now to the flavored delight apium. The flowers are budding open. Let me see if I find a good one, because some of them are a little bit too high. Oh, there we go. Let's see, right here. You see them already starting to come through? And this whole one is like that too, the whole thing. So this is always number one. Used to be my all-in-one almond. Now it's my Flavor Delight apium. That is buds quicker than my all-in-one almond, and that's incredible. Beautiful flowers on both, and you'll see that probably in about maybe 2 to 3 weeks, if not a month from now. You'll see videos. But regardless, so let's talk about this heavenly white nectarine. If there's a variety or a fruit that I regret planting, and I plant a lot of fruit trees, a lot of them, I think I'm still at around 75 to 80 different fruit trees. Let's see, and I'll link up a video for that too, on a tour of that. But one of the main reasons is a lot of dead wood every year. Every year, almost half this tree is dead. And the Fantasia nectarine that I have grafted onto a cocktail tree, a 4-in-1 tree that I purchased, but I had to graft my own stuff too because a lot of their grafts died off. So I'll link a video for that as well on that tree. But one is the nectarine has a lot of dead wood. The nectarine can be attacked when they're little fruit by, I forgot what they're called, some type of aphids. So they'll deform the fruit, or they'll create holes in the baby fruit so it won't mature, and you'll see a bunch of sap coming out of the fruit of a nectarine. I think that this mutation, if it is a mutation of a peach being, a fuzzy, hairy, fruit, this is a hairless or fuzzless peach, basically a nectarine. I think that fuzz on the fruit is important. Because a nectarine is so tough. It's so sparse. I mean, look, just when you go to the peaches, if you see some of my older videos with peaches, it's just galore, packed. I can't control the growth. With nectarine, this is all I got. This is it. This is all I have. This is all you see here is basically the flowers I'm gonna get. A lot of these look weak. A lot of the flower buds even fell off, as you can see. Oh, sorry. As you can see, it's just weak. Even the flower buds don't even look that healthy. No matter what I do, and that's with the Fantasia nectarine, and that's with talking to some other people that have nectarines, and they have a tough time as well. So we're gonna see how this goes. A lot of dead wood on this nectarine again. And last year I didn't get that many flowers on my nectarine because I had to prune so hard because so much dead wood. I thought about, I should hack some down and just, control the height. I'm not going to do that this year. So I'm going to allow a lot of this to flower, and then so it could cross-pollinate amongst itself. And then I'm going to start pruning it down after it gets pollinated. After I see a little baby fruit, then I'll hack down a little bit. I let these grow a little taller than normal of the rest of my garden to provide afternoon shade for my window here. A lot of the hot summer sun, afternoon sun, goes right in the window into the house. And there's a protective film on that window too. This is dual pane. But there's also protective film that reflects a lot of the heat. So that could be the reason why this is burning, because there's a lot of heat that hits back on this tree. That could be the reason, but regardless, the Fantasia also has a lot of death too. So I think it's just a tough, not a tough plant. It's not as hardy. If hardy is related to cold, then it's not as heat tolerant, let's say. The apium is just fine. The apium is a tough plant. And the helicopter's telling me to hurry the video up, Moses. You're supposed to make these short. Where are you at? Oh, I'm just hearing echoes then. Beautiful day, huh? Look at that. Oh, there it is. That's a good end. Happy gardening, everybody.